So the 1 month, 4 weeks, it was all about theory. So they taught us about contemporary nursing practice and everything. We got a placement in one of the hospitals here, where we did 2 month clinical placement, and then we had a direct exposure with the patients and with the system here. Basic skills like CPR or manual handling, infection control, and that sort of thing. In India, we are more into caring for the patients, and we don't take independent decisions much. There, we have doctors above us who take the decisions. But here, the big difference I see is, nurses our registered nurses are the one who is taking most of the decisions about, and especially when it comes to aged care. We are the managers, and we have all right to decide about our residents, assessing their needs, and suggesting doctors, what best we could do. And it's sort of a team, and we feel good that we are actually a very important part of the team. I won't say that in India we are not a team member, but yeah, there is a difference. The way they see us, or the way they respect us, or the way they consider us, it's actually, there is a huge lot of difference. On top of the care, we have to be really a good manager, organizing everything, and yeah, so it's sort of a manager things which we learned here. When I talk about the changes in me as a professional nurse or something, I feel that yes, I have grown to a good extent, because it's not all about having your clinical skills. It's more about having a really professional attitude. So I think that I've got that attitude in me now, and I can communicate, and I can participate in communication with others, and it's sort of a I feel that I'm working independently. I don't have to work under that I have somebody on top of me who is always I have to ask that person again and again. So there are so many things which I feel that fine, I have the right to decide about the patient or the resident. So I feel great about it. We have got independence to work and use our brain and do so it's really, I feel good, and I feel that it has helped me to enhance my skills or whatever I had in me. So Career International is really a reliable company, because whatever promises they are actually, in the beginning, whatever they are saying, they're trying to fulfill each and everything. And I would say they have done all they could do for us. And it was really, we really feel, we feel that we were blessed that we were under, Careers International, because, when I was coming here, everybody was asking me, is the company reliable? Are your money, is your money safe? Because we paid a good amount to come here. So, and are you going to earn that much, you're spending, and, all sort of things. It came to my mind as well. But, after coming here, I realized that probably that was the best decision I had ever made in my life, that I joined, Careers International. And, I would like to mention here, it's just been 4 months that I'm working here, but, I'm able to pay off my 50% of loan, despite of having all good life here, splurging money, and could save some, to send back home. So it was a good part to be a part of Careers International. And when we talk about Alan and Maria, they are not just employer or they are more like a guardian. They will help you in any ways they can, showing you the right path and guiding you in all possible manners. So.